This is my main channel where I have over 100,000 subscribers. That's why I talk about YouTube tips. Let's get into it. I'm using my newest channel as the example channel today, Dying to Be In. So right now I have my very first video as a feature video, but we're going to do a spotlight video. So this feature video is for new people who come to the channel. The spotlight video is for your returning subscriber. Let me show you how to change this video for your returning subscribers and make it a spotlight video. So of course we're going to go to the YouTube studio, and I clicked on it. I'm waiting for it to, there we go. Okay, so now we're in the studio, and from there, let's see here, I need to close some of these tabs. Okay, so from the studio, we are going to go to customization down here on the left. All right, and we're on the customization page, but we're going to go to the home tab. There's a profile tab, and then there's a home tab on the right. We're going to click that, and we're going to go. So here's our layout. We've got our channel trailer for people who have not subscribed. We're going to add a spotlight video for people who have. So we're going to add a section, and here it pops up spotlight for returning subscribers. So, and after you hit that, you click on spotlight for returning subscribers, and then all of your videos, or however many can populate in this space, will populate. And I'm just going to select my newest video for the sake of doing this, and I might keep it there. Maybe I'll continue to change that, I don't know, but that will be the spotlight video. And now I will select publish. And so now the people who are subscribed to my channel, who pop onto my homepage, they'll be able to see that video now when they come.
History doesn't just
And
repeat itself.
I'm not subscribed to my own channel, so it's still the other video that I selected that I will see. I'm not subscribed to my channel on any of my channels, so I can't show you the example, but you get the picture. So the 179 people who are subscribed there, they'll be able to see that video when they pop on.